So we are going to see here how we can merge on the multi-index. In the data frame 1, we have ID and rank indexes, and then the data frame 2, we have MID and rank indexes. Now, so there are various ways to handle this. Let's first try to rename the index in the data frame 2 so that it matches with the name as that in data frame 1. We are going to see in the later video how we can handle if we have different names, but just for the sake of this one, let's keep the name same. So we have transformed the name from MID to ID, and as the names are same of the index in both the data frames, so now let's perform the merge. So data frame 1 dot merge with the data frame 2. In the on, we are going to specify the list of two columns. So that's the ID and the rank, as it is same on in both the data frames. So we are not specifying here left on and the right on. In the how argument, we have passed as the left. So that's how the resultant data looks like. So that gives a kind of better idea how it's going to perform join on the multi-index.